Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today there's no hooks, there's no nothing, we're just going to go straight into it. If you haven't got any pull-ups or your pull-ups are really weak, then I'm going to show you three really quick exercises that are going to help for you to implement into your training and make sure you get to that next level of pull-ups. We've got a free program for pull-ups and people go from 0 to 5 pull-ups in about 6 weeks. So let's get into the first exercise. First one you're going to do is get a step or something. You're going to get to the top of the pull-up bar, chin above the bar, and you're just going to hold yourself here as long as possible. How long can you hold this position? Keep the core tight, toes pointed, everything engaged, and how long can you keep that position? That's your isometric hold pull-ups. That's going to make you really strong in that top position. You'll feel everything, you'll feel your biceps, you'll feel your lats, you'll feel your core engaging, and that's a great way to start your pull-up journey. All right, next one. You just need a band of some sort, a resistance band. You're going to fling it over the top of the bar and get it nice and tight. Then you're going to get your foot in it without pinging your face off with the bar, with the band. Make sure you're in the center of the band, like so. And now this is just going to take, depending on how big your band is, this is just going to take some of your body weight away. So if I'm at 83 kilos right now, this band's probably going to take about 10 to 15 kilos of that weight away. So in that initial bit, while the band's got a lot more strain on it, I'm going to be 10 to 15 kilos lighter so I can get through the pull-up with less body weight. All right, so it goes like this. You jump up, get yourself controlled so you're not swinging. Okay, when you're in a position to go, lats engaged, chest up, big drive through, control on the way down. Full dead hang at the bottom, drive up, control on the way down. All right, and you're just doing reps where you're sort of 1 or 2 reps away from failure. So if you've only got 5 of those in the locker, just go to 3 to 4 reps and then have a good rest, a minute or 2 rest, and go again and just bang out like sort of 5 sets of that. If you can only sort of get 1 or you can't get any pull-ups with the band, then you might need to increase the band or double up your bands and just take more body weight away. This can also be done with a lat pull down. So the idea with that is that you can build the weight on it. Obviously you're in a sat down position, right? So your core's not as engaged. And so you can get away with basically building progressive overload on the weights there. But I like the pull-ups because we're training that exact same position that we're trying to work for. So it's very specific. Happy? And then the third one is we're going back to the top of the bar, like so. We're going to start again in the top position and we're doing eccentric. So we're going as slow down as possible, building the strength for the pull-up. When you hit the bottom, you can come back up, jump back into that position and control. Can you do 10-second reps? Right? And this is going to improve everything. It's going to improve that core stability. Grip strength's a massive one that doesn't get talked about enough. And we're just going to be able to control that whole movement. All right, keep the body under tension. Obviously, on top of those 3 movements, there's lots of other things we can do. Plank holds are great. Obviously, just normal pull-ups, lat pull downs, as we spoke about, bent over rows, anything where we're hitting the lats, the biceps, the core, all those muscle groups that we're using for our pull-ups. Anyway, 3 movements to implement. If you want to know a bit more, you want to get on our coaching plan so we can guide you through all your tests and everything, drop us a message on Instagram. Legend. Cheers, guys.